Dogecoin gains 28% without Elon Musk's tweet. It's often been hard to make sense of financial markets in 2021. First, there was the 1,500% rally in flailing video game retailer GameStop. Then there was the $100 million valuation of a New Jersey deli. Then there was also a 15,000% surge in Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency designed as a joke, followed soon by a dramatic fall. But it now appears that Dogecoin has finally broken through. So, what has caused the Dogecoin price to rise again? And even more importantly, is Elon Musk behind the rise once again? Hi, welcome to Crypto Doge News, where we publish the most up-to-date cryptocurrency news every single day. But before we go any further, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Now, let's get right into it. Dogecoin's price has shot up 28% in the last 24 hours. As of August 8, it's trading at 26 cents with a market cap of $34.8 billion. And the trading volume for Dogecoin over the last 24 hours alone has exceeded $7.9 billion. But this rally isn't just limited to Dogecoin. Crypto journalist Colin Wu explains that other meme tokens have been doing well too. Wu says other meme tokens, SHIB rose by more than 17% and LOB rose by more than 11%. Byte data shows that in the past 24 hours, the amount of Dogecoin contract liquidation amounted to $39.3781 million, which was the third largest liquidation amount. Now, that may appear to be a low figure in comparison to prior gains, but believe me when I say it's not. If you've seen the cryptocurrency prices for the past few days, then you know that the entire market was heading in a downward direction. But why was this happening? Well, we should start with the most recent and up to the catalyst that started the downtrend. One main catalyst responsible for the minor crypto crash was when Donald Trump claimed in an interview that Bitcoin is a scam. Bitcoin, it just seems like a scam. He also went on to say that he does not like Bitcoin because he sees it as a competitive currency with the dollar. Trump believes that the dollar should be the world's global currency, and it seems like his views as a former US president seem to still have a lot of power in the market. However, the real downward trend in cryptocurrencies began in early May when Elon Musk stated on Twitter that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin as a payment method. Musk then continued to criticize Bitcoin all throughout the week, claiming that it was harmful to the environment, and certainly, it is true. The energy cost of mining Bitcoin has indeed gotten out of hand because Bitcoin's reward keeps on halving. Miners need to keep upgrading their equipment to stay profitable. For instance, the latest Bitcoin mining machine, the Antminer S19, has a power consumption of 3,250 watts, equivalent to a central air conditioning system. At current coin and energy prices, miners typically spend close to $2,000 on their electricity bills per year per machine. Bitcoin mining now consumes 0.55% of global electricity production, and it is simply not sustainable. To put it into perspective, one Bitcoin transaction consumes about the same amount of energy as 1.2 million Visa card transactions. Well, that's a terrible figure we've got there. Because of that, on May 19th, China tightened its grip on crypto exchanges and made Bitcoin mining illegal, causing the crypto market to once again go down but not completely out. Since then, the price of Bitcoin has been fluctuating downwards, and as of August 8th, Bitcoin's trading at roughly $44,000. It's a dramatic drop to say the least, all thanks to Elon Musk. However, during this time, Musk adopted another cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, as something of a pet project, repeatedly sharing Dogecoin memes on social media and issuing calls for developers to submit upgrade ideas and improvements. Musk even alienated much of the Bitcoin community with his Dogecoin support and proposal that Dogecoin could beat Bitcoin hands down if it dropped transaction fees and increased the speed of its network. He says, ideally, Doge speeds up block time 10 times, increases block size 10 times, and drops fees 100 times. And it wins hands down. For those bad at math, 100 times higher transaction volume with 100 times lower fees means total fees earned stay same, Low fees and high volume are needed to become currency of Earth. Musk's tweets sent the crypto soaring, and well, it shouldn't really come as a surprise because Musk had quite an influence over the crypto market. Just a single tweet from Musk mentioning Bitcoin, BTC, and Dogecoin, Doge, or any other cryptocurrency was enough to skyrocket the value of the related digital assets by a large margin. For instance, February 4th, Musk boosted Dogecoin in the stratosphere by just tweeting a photograph of a rocket taking off and adding a single word to it, Doge. In just 1 hour, the price of Doge surged by up to 75.6% and reached around 0.056. 24-hour trading volume of the coin also surpassed $7 billion, with a market capitalization of $6.4 billion. Well, that is indeed some great numbers. And only 3 days later, on February 7th, Doge appreciated again by over 50% in just 24 hours, making it the best performing digital asset in the top 100 by market capitalization. Well, no, this isn't a miracle. This rally came after videos of Musk discussing Dogecoin and cryptocurrency in general on his walk to his car were widely circulated on the internet. In the video, Musk stated that cryptocurrencies are likely to be the future of the world's monetary systems. When pressed to expand on that response, he half-joked that Dogecoin may be at the core of everything, adding that fake likes irony. However, Tesla's CEO crypto credibility has been rapidly eroding lately. For instance, Musk recently tweeted, "Release the Doge," which led many people to believe that it was time for Dogecoin to get a massive pump. Surprisingly though, nothing happened. So this must mean that Musk's firm grasp on the market's finally easing up. Just a few days later, Musk tweeted another meme image, this time portraying a man who avoids attractive ladies in his vicinity to focus on the Doge exchange rate. However, the price of Dogecoin, again, remained almost unchanged. This time too, the sudden increase in the price of Dogecoin had many of us wonder if Musk was somehow involved. But no, he wasn't. Alexandra Clarke, sales trader at Global Block, says, "It seems that investors are no longer listening and are finally realizing that the tweets of one man should not be the deciding factor for whether they buy or sell their assets." Whether the power of Musk possesses with his crypto tweet is indeed dangerous, especially given his erratic temper, which he admits as running hot and cold, it's about time for investors to realize that their choice of cryptocurrency should not be dictated by a single person's opinion. Many people have lost a lot of money by relying on Musk's tweet to invest in cryptocurrencies. So if you do decide to invest in cryptocurrencies, keep in mind you should never spend more money than you can afford to lose. Always calculate the impact of your investment if the coin you own drops 20 or 50% or even 80% in value overnight. Decide if you can afford to hang on to it in the hope the price will rise again. So what are your thoughts on Dogecoin? Do you think it'll continue to grow and reach new heights? Share your answers in the comments section below. Also, if you found our video informative, do like it and share it with your friends. Till next time, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for all new updates coming up.